Welcome to Learning English. I'm Megan.
And I'm David. Let's get started.
Hello and welcome.
We're so glad you're here.
Today we're going to practice real-life English conversations.
These are conversations you hear every single day.
At work.
At home.
At the store.
Everywhere.
We're not going to teach grammar today.
We're just going to practice real conversations.
The way people actually talk.
Let's start with the morning.
You wake up.
Someone in your home might say this.
Good morning.
You say, good morning.
They might ask, did you sleep well?
You can say, yes, I did.
Or, not really.
Let's practice that conversation.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did.
Simple.
Natural.
Now let's try another morning conversation.
Maybe about breakfast.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
How do you take it?
With milk, please.
Let's practice.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
How do you take it?
With milk, please.
Good. Now you're leaving for work.
Someone might say,
Have a good day.
you say, you too.
Or, thanks, you too.
Or, see you later.
Let's practice. Have a good day.
You too.
Perfect. Now you arrive at work.
A coworker says, hey, how's it going?
You can say, good, how are you?
Or, pretty good, thanks.
Or just, good, you?
Let's practice.
Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
This happens every day.
At work.
At school.
At the gym.
People ask how you are.
You give a short answer.
Then you ask them.
That's the pattern.
Now let's practice a work conversation.
Your boss or coworker might say, can you help me with something?
You say, sure, what do you need?
They might say, can you send me that file?
You say, yes, I'll send it right now.
Let's practice the whole thing. Can you help me with something?
Sure, what do you need?
Can you send me that file?
Yes, I'll send it right now.
Good. Now lunchtime.
A coworker might ask, are you going to lunch?
You can say, yeah, in a few minutes.
They might say, want to come with me?
You say yes or no. Sure, where are you going?
Or, I can't today, but thanks.
Let's practice. Are you going to lunch?
Yeah, in a few minutes.
Want to come with me?
Sure, where are you going?
Perfect. Now at a restaurant or cafe.
The server says, hi, what can I get you?
You say what you want. Can I have a sandwich, please?
They might ask, what kind?
You say, turkey, please.
They might ask, anything to drink?
You say, just water, thanks.
Let's practice the whole conversation.
Hi, what can I get you?
Can I have a sandwich, please?
What kind?
Turkey, please.
Anything to drink?
Just water, thanks.
Excellent.
Now you're back at work.
The afternoon.
Someone might ask, how's your day going?
You can say, it's going okay.
Or, pretty busy.
Or, not bad.
Then you ask them.
How about you?
Let's practice.
How's your day going?
Pretty busy. How about you?
Same here. Good.
Now the end of the workday.
You're leaving.
A coworker says,
See you tomorrow.
you say, see you tomorrow.
Or, have a good night. Or, take care.
Let's practice.
See you tomorrow.
You too. Have a good night.
Thanks, you too.
Perfect.
Now you're going home.
Maybe you stop at a store.
The cashier says, Hi, did you find everything okay?
You say, yes, thank you.
They scan your items and say, That'll be $15.
You pay and they say, here's your receipt. Have a good day.
You say, Thanks, you too. Good. That's the end of part 1.
You just practiced real conversations.
Conversations that happen every day.
In part 2, we'll practice more.
Keep listening. Remember, you don't need to understand everything the first time.
You can replay this section, slow it down, and listen again as many times as you want.
That's how your brain learns English naturally, through repetition.
Go at your speed. You're doing better than you think. Welcome to part 2.
Now, let's practice conversations at home.
You arrive home.
Someone might say, Hey, you're home.
You say, yeah, just got here.
They might ask, How was work?
You say, it was good.
Or, Long day?
Or, pretty busy.
Let's practice.
Hey, you're home.
Yeah, just got here.
How was work?
Pretty busy. How was your day?
Good.
Now let's talk about dinner.
Someone might ask, what do you want for dinner?
You can say, I don't know, what do you want?
They might say, how about pasta?
You say, sounds good.
Or, sure, that works.
Let's practice.
What do you want for dinner?
I don't know, what do you want?
How about pasta?
Sounds good.
Perfect.
Now, maybe someone is cooking.
They might say, can you help me with something?
You say, sure, what do you need?
They say, can you cut these vegetables?
You say, no problem.
Let's practice.
Can you help me with something?
Sure, what do you need?
Can you cut these vegetables?
No problem.
Good.
Now dinner is ready.
Someone says, dinner's ready.
You say, great, I'm hungry.
Or, coming.
Or, smells good.
At the table, someone might say,
How is it?
you say, it's really good, thanks for making it.
I'm glad you like it. Perfect.
After dinner, someone might say,
I'll do the dishes.
you can say, thanks, I'll help.
Or, no, I'll do them. You cooked.
Or, we can do them together.
Let's practice. I'll do the dishes.
No, I'll do them, you cooked.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no problem.
Good. Now let's practice phone conversations.
These happen all the time.
Someone calls you.
You answer, hello?
They say, hey, it's me.
You say, oh, hey, what's up?
They might say, not much, just wanted to call.
You say, good to hear from you. How are you?
Good.
Or maybe someone calls to make plans.
They say, are you free this weekend?
You say, yeah, I think so. Why?
They say, want to do something?
You say, sure, what do you have in mind?
Let's practice. Are you free this weekend?
Yeah, I think so. Why?
Want to do something?
Sure, what do you have in mind?
Perfect. Now making plans with details.
They might say, want to get coffee on Saturday?
You say, yeah, sounds good. What time?
They say, how about 2 o'clock?
You say, that works for me.
They say, great, I'll text you.
Let's practice the whole conversation.
Want to get coffee on Saturday?
Yeah, sounds good. What time?
How about 2 o'clock?
That works for me.
Great, I'll text you.
Perfect.
Excellent.
Now let's practice asking for things.
This happens all the time.
At home or at work.
Someone might say, can you pass me that?
You say, this?
They say, yeah, thanks.
Let's practice.
Can you pass me that?
This?
Yeah, thanks.
No problem.
Good.
Or someone might ask, do you have a pen?
You say, yes or no. Yeah, here you go.
They say, thanks.
You say, you're welcome.
Let's practice.
Do you have a pen?
Yeah, here you go.
Thanks. You're welcome.
Perfect. Now, before bed.
Someone might say, I'm going to bed.
You say, okay, good night.
They say, good night.
Or maybe, sleep well. Let's practice.
I'm going to bed.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Good. Now let's look at what we practiced today.
We practiced real conversations,
Morning conversations,
work conversations,
store conversations,
home conversations.
phone conversations,
These all use simple English,
short sentences.
natural responses,
This is how people really talk.
not textbook English.
Real English.
The English people use every day.
And you're learning that right now.
You're doing great.
Next time, we'll practice more real-life conversations.
Different situations.
But the same simple patterns.
Keep practicing.
Keep listening.
You're improving every day.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Goodbye.